July 2026 is turning out to be an exciting month for technology lovers because the newest gadgets are not just about adding more features or increasing numbers on a specification sheet. This month's standout devices are focused on smarter designs, better everyday experiences, and solving problems that people actually face. From ultra-thin power solutions to futuristic laptops and intelligent home entertainment devices, these gadgets show how technology is becoming more practical, creative, and connected. The first gadget creating a lot of attention is the Nothing 4A Pro with an e-ink display concept. While this is not an official product release, it represents an interesting vision of how smartphones could evolve in the future. Instead of using the rear glyph matrix only for notifications and visual effects, this concept replaces it with a full e-ink display that adds a completely new layer of functionality to the phone. Imagine having a secondary screen on the back of your smartphone that can show weather updates, important notifications, caller information, digital tickets, or even a QR code without draining your battery. Because e-ink technology only consumes power when the image changes, it could remain active throughout the day while using very little energy. The idea keeps the existing processor, cameras, and front display while making better use of the unused space on the rear panel. The second impressive gadget is the OrigamiSwift mouse, a device designed for people who work while traveling. Traditional portable mice usually force users to choose between size and comfort, but the OrigamiSwift takes a different approach by using an origami-inspired folding design. It can collapse into an extremely thin form and then transform into a full-sized mouse whenever needed. At only a fraction of an inch thick when folded and weighing around 40 grams, this mouse almost disappears inside a laptop bag. However, its unique triangular structure allows it to maintain stability during real work sessions. It features Bluetooth connectivity, support for multiple operating systems, a high-precision infrared sensor, quiet buttons, and USB-C charging that can provide months of battery life. For digital workers who are always moving, this is the type of accessory that removes everyday frustration. The third gadget is the MorningBlues SonicGlass A1 transparent speaker, a product that completely changes the idea of what a home speaker should be. Instead of hiding behind a simple box design, the speaker becomes a visual centerpiece for your room. Its transparent front panel combines audio with artwork, creating a device that looks more like futuristic furniture than a traditional speaker. The speaker includes a large, transparent display that can show animated lyrics while music plays. Through its intelligent lyric system, visuals are synchronized with songs to create a more immersive listening experience. Another feature uses artificial intelligence to generate visuals based on different music styles, allowing the speaker to transform into a dynamic room display even when no music is playing. The fourth gadget is the Lenovo ThinkTab X11 rugged tablet, designed for people who need technology in challenging environments. While many tablets are created for entertainment and casual use, this device focuses on workers in industries like construction, transportation, manufacturing, and logistics. It is built to survive conditions where ordinary tablets would struggle. The ThinkTab X11 features a bright display, glove-friendly touch support, and strong protection against drops, dust, and water. Its most impressive feature is the removable high-capacity battery, which can be swapped without complicated tools. It can even operate directly from external power without a battery installed, making it useful for vehicles, factories, and permanent workstations. The fifth gadget on the list is the Xiaomi Watch S5 46mm, a smartwatch that focuses heavily on combining traditional watch design with modern smart features. Instead of looking like a small computer attached to your wrist, the Watch S5 is designed to appear more like a premium timepiece that happens to include advanced technology. The watch features a bright AMOLED display, a stainless steel frame, multiple premium materials, and a battery designed to last much longer than many competing smartwatches. With extended battery life, health tracking features, sports modes, GPS improvements, and water resistance, it offers a strong balance between style and functionality. The sixth gadget is the Nothing Book laptop concept, another example of how future technology could become more visually exciting. Nothing has always focused on transparent designs, and this concept pushes that philosophy into the laptop category. Instead of hiding internal components, the design turns the machine's hardware into part of the overall visual experience. The transparent body reveals the internal structure, while a secondary display on the laptop lid adds a unique feature. This external screen could show messages, symbols, emojis, or custom animations, giving the laptop a personality that most computers do not have. Although it remains a concept, it demonstrates how laptops could become more expressive and less predictable in the future. The seventh gadget is the battery-free Amplifying iSpeakers, a product that takes technology in the opposite direction. While most modern audio devices depend on batteries, apps, and wireless connections, these speakers return to a simpler approach by using physical acoustic design to increase sound naturally. The biggest advantage is that they require no charging, no software updates, and no electronic components that can fail over time. They represent a growing interest in sustainable technology that focuses on long-term usability instead of constant replacement. For people who want a simple audio solution without more cables and batteries, this approach is surprisingly refreshing. The eighth and final gadget is the Xiaomi UltraThin Magnetic Power Bank 5015W, one of the most impressive portable charging products introduced this year. At only 6 mm thick and weighing less than many everyday accessories, it challenges the idea that power banks need to be bulky and inconvenient. It uses advanced battery technology to fit a useful capacity into an incredibly slim body. The power bank supports wireless charging, USB-C fast charging, and multiple safety protections to manage heat and electrical risks. Its slim aluminum design makes it easy to carry alongside modern smartphones, proving that accessories can become just as carefully designed as the devices they support. Looking at all 8 gadgets together, the biggest trend of July 2026 is clear. The best technology is not necessarily about doing everything. Instead, the most impressive products are the ones that understand their purpose and improve specific experiences. A thinner power bank, a more practical tablet, a smarter watch, or a redesigned mouse can have a bigger impact when the design solves a real problem. The future of technology is moving toward thoughtful innovation. These gadgets show that companies and designers are beginning to focus less on unnecessary complexity and more on meaningful improvements. Whether it is through better portability, stronger durability, smarter displays, or sustainable designs, the best tech of July 2026 proves that innovation is not always about adding more. Sometimes the greatest improvements come from making technology simpler, cleaner, and more useful.